Carter, what do you like about yourself?
My butt.
Good morning, everybody. It is like 7:45 and everybody's awake. Ella is watching some Paw Patrol behind me. The boys are still in their rooms. I'm a little bit worried about Carter because he's usually up and like shot out of a cannon, like I always say, ready to go. He's just been kind of like laying around lounging. It's kind of what I ask him to do on Saturdays, but it never works. So Tanner is up walking around his crib. Tanner's still got a pretty decent cough going on, and Carter just looks drained. So I have a feeling he's not going to be happy that Tiff is not here this morning. She left to get her hair colored and done, whatever. I don't know, maybe she's getting a cut, who knows. But I have a feeling he won't be that happy that she's not home. But I'll do everything I can to make him happy. I've got their drinks all ready for them. I'm gonna try and get them fed right away and then just kind of hang out with them. Ella needs a bottle as well, and I need coffee. So here goes nothing. Good morning, boys. Hi. How you doing, buddy? You okay? You woke up like a really nice boy. Thank you for that. You're still tired?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. You must have had a big day yesterday. Ready?
Where's Eustace? You didn't saw him?
I did see him. You gotta go find him. Gotta go find Eustace?
Yeah. Oh, wow.
You found him. Is he so silly?
Yeah.
You hungry, baby girl? Yeah? Okay, I'll warm your bottle right now, okay? Boys are eating pretzels. That's what they requested. She's probably gonna laugh at this. This is nowhere near enough for her. Looks like those 4 ounces did the trick. She's a happy girl. I think she might have a stinky diaper though, so I get to change that. Lucky me. Boys are playing pretty nicely. I think I'm gonna try and get this one down for a little bit of a nap too, because she usually likes to take a morning nap, right? How'd I get so lucky? That was a good job, Carter. She's telling me something, but I'm not sure what. This? You want this and go see? And she's out. Now, that on camera looked really easy. However, I skipped over the part where I had to suck her nose out, and she screamed at me. And then I paced up and down the kitchen for about 5 minutes, and just rocked her, and now finally got her down. I think I hear Tanner looking for me. He's saying, "Mommy, Daddy." So I'm gonna go down, get the boys breakfast, and I'll keep an ear out for her because I don't have a monitor on her right now, even though she has her outlet monitor on. And I'm gonna keep the door wide open so I can hear her. Check this out. I'm about to blow your mind because I know I'm the only dad or person who's ever thought to do this with pancakes. These are my Frosty the Snowman. Hat got a little messed up, but that's okay. Come eat Frosty the Snowman for breakfast. What do you think? How come Tanner's in this chair?
Why not with marshmallows?
Why not with marshmallows? Because that's too much sugar.
But Frosty's playing and Frosty looks like a marshmallow.
Frosty looks like a marshmallow? Maybe dessert could be a Frosty marshmallow.
I guess. Yeah. Good.
Is it good?
Yes.
Good. We're on to cream cheese instead, right? You weren't really into the chocolate pancake?
No.
That's okay. I prefer that. Saturday meal prep, Carter's clipping coupons. Deciding what we're gonna make for the week. Looks like Uncle Ben's rice is
That's sharp.
gonna happen. Yeah, those are sharp scissors, right? So you have to be so careful. So I didn't have my camera on me. I was using my cell phone to record, but then my assistant said, I'll get the camera, and he ran and got the camera. We're just hanging out in this little fort, looking out the window, and...
Now it's look like a...
Come on, Jack, go ahead, do it again.
For trees.
Hi.
I found a tree big tree right there.
First we were looking, we found 3 American flags in our neighborhood. Now, how many trees?
I found a tree right there and
There's lots of trees, huh?
right here and right
How about mailboxes? How many mailboxes do you see?
tree right there, right there. Whoa, hello.
You guys. Where's Jack?
Hello.
Oh, hello. Talking to mommy. She said, when I come home, I'm gonna squeeze you and kiss you, I think she said, right? What do you say back to her?
Daddy.
And Daddy?
Yeah.
Alright, what do you say back to her?
I love you.
Okay. Who do you think it is?
Mommy?
Jack, where are you?
Boys disappeared into the playroom. I just went to check on them, and Carter said they're playing basketball, so guess he was telling the truth. Nice dunk there, Tanner. Uh-oh. Basketball net going down. Hold on, let me yell at them. Boys, make sure you're playing nice. Loving our Vivint system. Carter, please be careful on there.
Hey guys, just got home from my hair appointment. This postpartum hair loss is real. Look like I got bangs, but I really love it. It's definitely like, it feels a lot darker. I don't know, what do you think? I love it though, but it was nice because the last time I got my hair done was November 2nd, So when you have like that ombre, you can grow your root in a lot longer and not look bad, or in my opinion, it doesn't look bad. But yes, now I feel like I need like a little bit of a spray tan. Hi, Bubba. Are you vlogging? And you gotta wash? You're so cool. So yeah, we have no idea what we're doing today, but since we're hosting Christmas, we probably figure out what we need. Vlogging, you wanna vlog?
No, what are you going to do today?
I don't know, do you have any ideas? What should we do today?
Go outside.
Go outside?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do outside?
With mommy.
What are you gonna do outside?
With mommy too.
With mommy and what?
With mommy, Ella, and daddy.
What should we do out there?
Play?
It's really cold and windy. Does that matter?
Yeah.
You still wanna go out there even though it's cold and windy?
And wear our jackets.
Oh, you'll wear your jacket?
That means.
Mm-hmm. Love you, Mr. Incredible. Oh, Eustace. Nap time. Binky.
Oh.
Mmm.
I know blankie.
You know what blankie? Okay, I'll leave them here in case you get cold, okay?
Love you, good boy.
Love you, sweet
Have
pea.
sweet
I
dreams.
want to go Bubba's house.
Love you, buddy.
Tomorrow we're going to Grandma's house, baby.
No.
Love you.
Are you vlogging?
No. No. Yeah,
Alright, boys did not nap well.
I found daddy.
Carter's saying he doesn't feel good. He found my camera battery, thank you. So you're gonna pick something while you snuggle mommy?
For what?
He's gonna pick something to watch.
I need coffee.
J-Man. Did you put that on by yourself?
You want to look like Daddy?
Why are you wearing that?
No.
No?
Yeah.
He decided he wanted to match me.
Good day. Have a good day, Mr. Potato Head.
Carter, what do you like about yourself?
My butt.
That's a good thing. I think you should love every part of yourself.
Jason?
Where's my pen go?
We're at the wholesale store. Carter, you got those coupons you
Babe, get it
collected?
right. We're in the club.
We in the club.
We're going to the club.
I call it the wholesale store.
What?
You got those coupons you clipped?
DJ's Club. That is not how you spell Hawaiian roll.
Nothing like a quick trip to BJ's.
That was so relaxing. The most unrelaxing BJ ever.
Wait time.
What about Chipotle?
Chipotle is my life.
I heard Tiff threatening Carter that if he didn't settle down, we weren't going to go to Chipotle, and I figured that's really not fair to me. So, can we still go?
I still need icing and condensed milk.
For your Chipotle?
And dark chocolate. No, for my breakfast.
Sounds like a Tiffany diet.
It does, doesn't it?
Made it to Chipotle. What, buddy? Oh, no. Oh, you're kidding.
No.
Is there a bug in your food?
Yeah. Like legitimately a bug in my food right now.
Where?
I just went deeper in there.
Obviously, you're not eating. Back from BJ's and Chipotle and just unloading some of the BJ's stuff. Nothing better than having a full drawer full of coffee.
Got my dress all by myself.
You did what?
I did my dress all by myself.
You got yourself dressed?
Yeah.
All by yourself?
Yeah.
You look so good. Now can you clean up these toys? Beyond what we were able to catch on camera, this little boy did a really good job.
He really did.
Cleaning up, getting himself dressed. We got lopsided Linda over here. Oh, I thought that was just your natural curvature. Good job, buddy. And was Tanner good enough to get a sticker on his sticker? Oh, you're jumping toward the end there.
It's okay, we can fill these in.
What about Tanner? Was he a good boy?
I think so. Do you? Give Tan Man a sticker. Right here. That one says Tanner on top.
But why?
You think it's extra for when you're extra good.
Alright, Carter, say goodnight to Eustace.
Good night, Eustace.
We'll see you in the morning.
And don't be silly.
Don't be silly. Alright, and can you tell everybody to have a good night and subscribe, and we'll see them tomorrow?
Subscribe. See you tomorrow.
Alright, we're ending it here. Tiff has been camera shy today. Looking for a rookie. He might have ran away, but hopefully not. We're 2 days away from Christmas, and that means 2 days away from being done Vlogmas. Rookie! And don't forget, subscribe and like this video, and then we'll see you tomorrow.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul.